In this video, you'll find out how to clean the brewing group of your WMF 1100S. Switch the machine off. First, remove the grounds container and the drip tray from the machine, followed by the collection tray. The brewing group is positioned horizontally in the machine. Feel for the retaining catch with your hand. Release the retaining catch by pulling the slider on the brewing group towards you. Keep hold of the slider. Guide the brewing group downwards as far as possible and carefully take it out of the machine. Using the multi-tool supplied, rotate the brewing head upwards. Next, unhook the springs from the chute so that the chute can be folded down. This is the only way to properly clean the brewing group. Use a brush to remove coffee grounds residue. If it is very dirty, the brewer can be cleaned under warm running water and dried with a cloth. Please make sure that the brewing group is completely dry before installation. Before installation, the springs must be hooked back onto the chute. Next, the brewing head should be returned to its initial position using the multi-tool. To reinstall the brewing group, guide it into the machine, keeping a firm hold on the retaining catch as you do so. Please make sure that you guide the brewing group as far as possible along the machine base to its initial position, so that the retaining catch can latch into place. Finally, return the collecting tray, the drip tray, and the grounds container. Your WMF 1100S is now freshly cleaned and ready for use once more.